on air, online, on mobile. This is Idaho News 6.
Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Karen Lair.
And I'm Don Nelson. First up tonight, for the last 6 days, Idaho has added well more than 100 new cases of COVID-19 per day, many of them originating in Ada County.
And that's why even as the rest of the state remains in stage 4 of the governor's reopening plan, Ada County reverted back to stage 3. Visits to senior living facilities are prohibited and bars, nightclubs, and large venues are once again shut down. Idaho News 6 reporter Nicole Camarda learned how hospitals are keeping up and why being personally responsible is more important than ever.
Health officials continue to report an uptick in COVID-19 cases. Former St. Luke's CEO David Pate says he believes local hospitals are still well within their capability to handle them due to surge planning.
A lot of these other states are not only seeing the increased cases, but also seeing huge increases in their hospitalizations.
Dr. Pate says younger people have been the age group with the highest spike in cases. And although their death rate is low, it does not mean they won't become critically ill.
It does not mean that you might not get very sick, that you might not end up in the hospital, that you might not end up being on a ventilator.
And those who are asymptomatic might not realize they are infecting anyone.
You're still infectious. And so you might go to work, you might go to visit mom and dad, you might go to visit grandma in the nursing home, and you can spread it.
COVID-19 is primarily spread through saliva, breath, and even sneezes, which is why Dr. Pate says it's so important to wear a mask or face covering.
The face mask will actually block quite a bit of that going out of your mouth or nose and help protect somebody else. And if they wear a mask, they similarly will help protect you.
Nicole Camarda, Idaho News 6.
And again, an increase in hospitalizations is not a problem Idaho is currently seeing, but if cases continue to rise, that of course could change. Officials are encouraging all of us to take responsibility to slow the spread.